Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla Petrie and I'm here with another makeup tutorial. Before we get into this video, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and put on your notifications button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. If you're interested to see how I got this look, keep watching. So first, I'm filling in my eyebrows with my chocolate brown brow pencil from Sephora. You guys know this is my favorite. I always use it. Now I'm going in with my foundation stick from MAC Cosmetics. This is in the shade NC44. I'm just going to use this as an eyeshadow primer and to conceal my brows. This is a step you don't want to forget. You want to definitely make sure you're blending out all the product around your eyes and even on top of your brows because you don't want any lines of demarcation. I'm using my Black Radiance powder and banana to set all over my face. Going into my NYX palette, I'm taking the darkest pink. I got this palette from Target and I believe it was like 13 bucks or something, but I like it because it has all the colors. I'm just applying this pink as my crease color. Then I'm also going to define my crease with a smaller brush. I'm going to take the smaller brush with the same color you see here and just really concentrate that to darken the pink a little bit. And I'm also going to focus that on the outer V's as well. I'm cutting my crease with my concealer from NARS. This is in the shade Caramel. I just took some on the back of my hand and used that. And I just looked down when I applied it at first to kind of give me a guide on how high I want it. And then I'm creating the shape I want. I have hooded lids, so I overdraw my eyelid per se, just so I can give myself some extra room when you look at the eyeshadow look. Like it appears like my eyelid is bigger. Now going into my personal palette, I'm going to take this white shade. It is a matte shade and it's more like cream, but it appears white on camera, and that's going to be the first shade I use to apply to this look. Now going back into this look, I'm taking that lighter pink and I'm just going to concentrate that in the center, in between the white and in between the dark pink that I applied earlier. Going back in with the dark pink shade, I'm just applying more color just to make it a little more vibrant. And I'm really focusing that on the outer V. Using my Sephora liner as a tool because it's more like a pen than anything to me, I'm actually taking some gel liner from Inglot's in shade number 77, and that's what I'm dipping my pen in to create my wing liner. For this look, I used my glitter adhesive from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm taking an iridescent glitter and placing it over the white and blending it into the pink a little. I actually like this adhesive because there's more control with painting it on for me versus something you have to squeeze out of a tube then put it on top. Taking a really small brush, I'm going into that dark pink shade and just intensifying that crease. I'm using my Callus Invisible Glue to apply my lashes. I always use this glue. I like the clear better than the black because I don't always wear eyeliner. Today I'm using my Shea Moisture Black Soap Moisturizer, and it's a matte moisturizer and I really like that. Then I'm also using my Milk of Magnesia to prime my face, and this keeps me matte all day. Even if I set it with a spray, I'm still completely matte. So what I've been doing lately is mixing my Estee Lauder foundation in Cinnamon and my NARS foundation in Maria, and I actually like how this looks. I don't know what formulas these are, but they actually work really well together, and I find that my foundation lasts a little bit longer when I combine them versus wearing them separately. Taking my caramel concealer from NARS and also taking my caramel concealer from Maybelline, the Instant Age Rewind. I'm just mixing those together for the perfect shade. And then of course I'm blending it out with a little dense brush. And I really like blending out my under eye and concealer with this kind of brush. I'm taking my foundation brush and making sure there's no harsh lines. Now I'm applying my contour. This is a foundation stick from MAC Cosmetics in NW50. Okay, so this step is really important. You really want to make sure you're blending out that contour. It's going to take a little while, but as long as you take your time and blend it out well, you won't even tell that it's on your face. I'm taking that same brush I used my concealer with, and I'm just going to blend out my nose contour. Going back in with my foundation brush, I'm making sure everything is seamless. Now I'm taking my Black Radiant Setting Powder in Banana, and I'm just going to apply that everywhere that I want to set my face. Then I'm going into my Makeup Forever and Y445 and setting my entire face. I'm using my Cocoa Naughty from Fenty Beauty, and I'm using that to just set everywhere I apply contour. For my blush today, I'm using Mandarin from MAC Cosmetics. It's a regular blush. And here I'm just going to quickly bake and set underneath my contour and then everywhere else, and then I'm just going to wipe everything off. I'm not letting it sit on long at all. I'm using Smolder eye pencil from MAC to line my waterline. And using that same dark pink color from earlier, I'm just going to smudge everything out. My favorite lip combo, BFF3 and BFF4 from ColourPop Cosmetics. I love how these lip liners look together. I fill in my lips first with one, and then I line with the BFF4, this one here, second. Now I'm using my lip color from ColourPop. It's from the Shayla ColourPop collection. This one is Slow Down. It is the Ultra Satin Lip. And then I'm going to finish off with my MAC Dazzle Glass in Baby Sparks. And then I went on top of that with the Act Natural matte lipstick from MAC. And I end up adding the Act Natural on top because I wanted a little more brightness to the lip. And then of course I'm just touching up that liner to give that pouty look. I'm using my Fenty What It Do spray to set my face. And today I did not get oily when I used this. I'm just giving myself a little mascara. This is from MAC Cosmetics. It's their 3D mascara and it's waterproof. Lastly, I'm just applying some highlight. I feel like the look would be perfect with it. So here's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Peace.